In this video, we will learn the pronunciation and the meaning of the word felicitate. We will also go through some sample sentences and a short conversation to understand the word in detail. Firstly, we will learn the pronunciation. The word pronounce as felicitate, felicitate. Let us move on to the meaning of felicitate. The word felicitate means to congratulate or express good wishes to someone for an achievement or happy occasion. Now let us look at some example sentences to see how this word is used. Sentence 1.
The award winner was felicitated by the Cultural Association. The award winner was felicitated by the Cultural Association. In this sentence, felicitated means that the award winner was congratulated and praised by the Cultural Association.
Sentence 2. The mayor will felicitate the team for their outstanding performance in the tournament. The mayor will felicitate the team for their outstanding performance in the tournament. In this sentence, felicitate means that the mayor will congratulate and praise the team for their excellent performance in the tournament.
Finally, we will see a short conversation between Bob and Sarah.
Did you go to the event yesterday, Bob?
Yes, I did. The principal was there to felicitate the top students.
Oh, really? How did it go?
It was great. Everyone was so happy to be felicitated.
I bet it was a proud moment for them.
Absolutely, they worked really hard for it.
Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe. See you with next word.